Hey guys, this is Fundo on Anchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Mazulu come face to face with Zimele. She has a dream, and see he has her husband on the dream, and her husband tell her that he is back. While Sakile against a member harass Zetulele and humiliate him. And it seems like Zetulele becomes scared when they harass him on jail. She was struggling with the temptations to have more power at Maluju through the help of Maharaj. And it seems like Maharaj wants to use her, her, her child to win the company of Maluju. While the Bengu family wants to fight Maharaji power. While Kulego and Figile have the kills, and it seems like Figile wants to be with Kulego. She does not care about the Bengu family. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.